Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show earnings on a TradingView graph. If you want quick visual cues for when a company reported earnings, TradingView makes it easy to overlay that information directly on your chart. This helps you understand price moves around quarterly results without jumping to another page or having to search for earnings reports manually. By having the earnings data right on the chart, you can save time and make more informed trading decisions in real time. Start on any chart for a stock or other instrument that reports earnings. Move your cursor over the chart area, then right-click and choose Settings. That opens the Chart Settings panel where you control what appears on your screen. In the panel, find and open the Events tab. This section manages the small icons that appear along your timeline, such as splits, dividends, and most importantly for today, earnings. This is a great tool for traders who want to track key events that could impact price action without leaving the TradingView interface. You'll see an option labeled Earnings. Click it to enable. It's typically a simple checkbox or toggle. As soon as it's on, the change applies to your chart. Close the panel and look along the bottom of your chart, near the time axis. You should now see small E icons placed on the dates when the company reported results. These earnings markers will help you quickly identify the exact dates when earnings were released, making it easier to correlate price movements with earnings announcements. Hovering over an E gives you a quick preview of the earnings information, and clicking it opens a compact card with details. You'll typically see the earnings per share, EPS, both the actual figure and the analyst estimate, along with revenue information. This is great for spotting beats or misses, whether the company exceeded or fell short of analyst expectations, and for understanding whether a jump or drop in price aligns with the earnings report. For example, if a stock jumps right after earnings, you can check if the earnings were better than expected, helping you assess the strength of the move. If you don't see the E icons right away, a couple of quick checks usually solve it. First, make sure you're looking at an instrument that actually reports earnings. Most individual stocks do, while many cryptocurrencies do not. Earnings data is mainly for traditional stocks, and not all assets will have this feature. So it's important to verify that the asset you're tracking actually has earnings reports. Second, adjust your timeline. If your chart is zoomed into a very short window that doesn't include an earnings date, simply zoom out or scroll so a past or upcoming report comes into view. Sometimes, earnings events might be out of your current view, especially if you're looking at a very short time frame. Also, remember that earnings are periodic, so on longer time frames, you'll see them spaced out. For example, quarterly earnings will typically show up every 3 months, and annual reports might show less frequently. Once enabled, earnings events will remain visible as you change symbols during your session, so you won't need to redo the setting every time. This is particularly useful if you switch between multiple stocks or assets with earnings reports, as you can maintain the same view without needing to re-enable the feature each time. You can always return to the Events tab the same way. Right-click, go to Settings, and then Events if you want to quickly toggle the display. This flexibility means you can easily adjust your chart setup to match your preferences, whether you're focusing on earnings reports for a single asset or multiple stocks. That's all there is to it. Right-click the chart, open Settings, go to the Events tab, enable Earnings, and then click any E icon to see earnings and revenue details right on your TradingView graph. With this turned on, you'll have crucial context at a glance, making your analysis faster and more informed. This feature helps you seamlessly integrate earnings data into your trading workflow, enabling you to make smarter decisions without the need to leave TradingView. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tool makes your trading experience even more efficient.